his speech is about 15 to 20 minutes, and the title is called Let the Sawmill Club Presidential Distinguished Club Again.
Thank you, Toastmaster, my fellow Toastmaster, and honorable guest. Our Sawmill Club became a President Distinguished Club in 2011 and 2012. That means that we had reached 9 goals out of 10 goals. Actually, we had reached the 10 goals completely. Let me share with you what these 10 goals means. First of all, we need to have 4 new members, and that's one goal. Additional 4 new members, this is second goal. The third goal is we have 2 persons turn into competent communication manual. The fourth goal is we have another 2 persons turn in competent communication manual. Then 1 person, the fifth goal is 1 person turn in advanced communication manual. Then the other person turn in 1 advanced communication manual. Then we will have 1 person turn in the competent leadership manual, 1 person turn in advanced or regular competent leadership manual. Then another one goal is we have 4 officers went to the training in the autumn, and another 4 officers or the same officer go into the training for the officers in the spring. The last one is we turn the due in time 2 times. One is in September, one is in March. And in addition for that, we need to report our election result in time. That means before June 30th. We did it. Let's give ourselves a applause. Question: why we did need to do that? What in there for you, for us? What's in there for us? Dear friends, have you ever wondered the meaning for you in this life? Why you are here? Please raise your hand if you ever think about these questions. Why you are here? Raise your hand. Thank you. Thank you. I think most of people did think about these questions. Let me reveal the fact. Let's say, I believe you believe each of you have 1 pair of biological parents. Do you agree? And your parents have 2 biological parents also. And the 3rd generation, that's 2. So based on this number, 1st generation, you have 2 parents. 2nd generation, you have 4 grandparents. 3rd generation, you have 8 great-great-grandparents. I believe you agree for that. How about 10th generation ago? So we say 2 of 10th power. Mathematically, will become 1,024 great 9 times grandparents. In order to help you to visualize what that means, let's say 10 generation we use only 1,000 as a unit. Is that okay? Is okay? Good. So 10 generation, if 20 generation, that is 2 of 10s multiple 2 of 10s. That means 1,000 multiple 1,000. And everybody knows 1,000 multiple 1,000 equals a million. Am I correct? How about 30 generations? That means 1,000 multiple 1,000 multiple another 1,000. That is 1 billion. 1 billion. So we got 1 billion. Let's say, how about add another 3 generations? I will say 3 generations is 8. So 33 generations ago, each of us, we have 8 billion ancestors, biologically. You must agree for that. What this 8 billion number means? Currently, there's a world population, 8 billion people in this earth. Now, you are going to ask me, what that means to me, to you, each of us. How long it takes to have 33 generations for you, your past ancestor? How to define 1 generation? I will say the day you are birthed, come back to your parents, your father or your mother, how old they are. Usually, it's based on the woman. So usually, it's about 20 to 30 years. Do you agree? Knock your head. Do you agree? 20 to 30 years when they deliver you or the first birth of your family. If 1 generation 20 years to 30 years, 20 years multiple 33 generations, that's 660 years. 30 years multiple 33 generations is 990 years. So, is that fair to say, on the past 1,000 years, each of us, our ancestor, equal the whole population of the world? Agree?
Yeah.
Good. Nation. Let's leave the blank now. How many your great-great-great-parents among these 8 billion people you remember? How many? It's only 1,000 years. Only 1,000 years. You forgot most of them. The most of people you might remember 3 generations. The most is the 4th generation. Right? You do not remember them. Take 1,000 years later, your descendants will not remember you, neither. That's the fact, based on this number. Then you will wonder, go back the question I have for you. Why you are here? What's the meaning of your life? Most of you raise your hand, you did think about it. What's the meaning for your life? Today, why you will sit here? Why we are sitting here? What's the meaning? I figured that out. I want to share with you my thinking. The meaning for my life to pursue the happiness of myself. Then the next question I have is, what the happiness means to me? How many people already have 2nd generation, that means have a children in birth? Raise your hand. Thank you. For those people know, when you have a new birth, this is extreme happiness. because you know your gene passed on at new birth. Happy, everybody happy, entire family happy. For no reason, it's just happy. Right? The second thing, the happiness comes from you helped someone else. You did help them. Then you're happy. That's the two fundamental things happiness comes from. Not because you make so much money or whatsoever. In the Sawmill Club, we help you to reach this true happiness. If you really involved in this club, look, we recruit 4 new people, that's 4 new births. We know we are going to help these 4 new people to grow. That's the new birth for this class. Then we have another 4. We have totally 8. We are happy. Right? And you will be happy too. The same thing for reaching those, turn in the competent communication manual, advanced communication manuals. We know, we help them. We are part of it. We have been the timer like King and Eraser and Toastmaster and so on and so forth. We are part of it. We did help someone else grow. Therefore, they can finish their menu without us sitting here. Those people cannot turn in. Although maybe you are not visible, but actually you did the job. Even you give applause for those people. We did the job. So we will be very happy. The same thing for the competent leadership manual and the advanced leadership manual. Same thing. We're happy. We are part of the process. We help the people. At the same time, we help ourselves. The last 2 goals is to have turn in, get trained as officer. For officer, go to training in the autumn. For officer, get training in the spring. We are very happy too, because we saw those people grow. As an officer, we know we grow. We learn something new. Election, we know we have a new birth of this club. We have new leadership. That's the reason the Sawmill Club, in order to reach these 10 goals, besides this, people forget us. We all were gone one day. But we live the present. We live today. A Sawmill Club member. We help each other. We help the people reach their goals. This reason, based this kind of understanding, I believe the Sawmill Club, Sawmill Toaster Club, our club, will become the present distinguished club. Let me show you what's the end result after we got it. This is a small token from the Toastmaster International. That's all the work we did together. You see. Let me give this to the president, then we can show on the banner.
Jung?